If your organization creates documents that need more than one person to work on them, you're going to like co-authoring. Co-authoring is the term for simultaneous editing, more than one person at a time. And with SharePoint Online and Office 365 or SharePoint Online and Office 2013 or 2016, you can co-author in Word, PowerPoint, and in Excel Online. Let's see what this looks like. I'm in my document library and I'm going to open, for example, the Landon Hotel Event Preform version 1. And I want to edit this in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to open this in Word. Here's my document and I can begin making whatever changes to it I would like. At the same time I'm editing the document, someone else is editing it as well. If I click to see who's editing, I'll notice that Victor is editing in real time. It says other people are editing this document. Do you wish to automatically share changes as they happen? And I'm going to say yes, I do. Now I could invite other people, that's what this share is for, but I don't need to. I already have someone else working on the document. If I want to see what changes someone else has made, all I need to do is save the document, because saving not only saves what I have changed, but it updates changes that have been made by others. So I can see that Victor has changed this document. I didn't. He's been changing it. Now from his point of view, he can see that I'm also editing. And by the way, he's editing in Word Online. He's not even using the full version of Word, because in SharePoint Online, you can use Word Online or Word to co-author. Right now, Victor's working in this cell, and therefore I can't work there. If I point, I can see where he is, what he's working on. The locking that happens is by paragraph. So if he's clicked up in this paragraph and I try to edit in here, that could be a problem. It's a little hard to know. Or it could manage it neatly. But on his screen, he can actually see the changes that I'm making in real time. Now, a reason that I would have turned down that request to display changes right away as they're made is that if I'm working with a very large document, it takes a lot of bandwidth to be able to update it as soon as any change is being made, because truly, that's exactly how soon it will do it, anytime a change is made. If I wanted to invite someone else to join our session, I could do that. That would be a reason to share. If I wish, I can email Victor something from here. If I have his phone or his Skype contact information, I can Skype him from here to have a conversation. When I'm done and leave this document, Victor can continue editing. He'll notice that I'm gone. It will inform him that I'm no longer editing the document, and I'm back. I can also co-author in the same way in PowerPoint. If I go to our resource library, we have a document that is the Landon New Employee Welcome. I can open this document in PowerPoint Online and edit it in PowerPoint Online, making whatever changes I wish. Notice that Victor now is also editing, and I'm not being asked if I want to display changes automatically. And the reason that I'm not being asked is I'm not in Word, and it's a different experience. Word uses paragraphs and cells, if you're in a table, to determine what should be locked for editing by each author. What we see here in PowerPoint is at the slide level. I can tell, for example, that Victor is editing this particular slide. There's his logo right there, and I can see where he is. If he looks, while I have this slide selected, it will be clear to him where I am editing as well. I can select text in this text box, but Victor's in the middle of making some changes here. I see them automatically. He bolded Dahlia's last name. But notice even when he's done that, I have the ability to edit her first name right next door. Victor's all done with this document now, so he's going to leave. His changes will automatically be saved. And notice now it says it's just you here now, which is kind of cute in a way. With both PowerPoint and Word and SharePoint Online, co-authoring is enabled in the desktop versions of Word and PowerPoint and in the online versions of Word and PowerPoint. It's not even necessary that they all be using the latest versions of PowerPoint or Microsoft Word. How many people can co-author at one time? I don't know if there's a limit, but what I know is that I've had a co-authoring session with 12 different people authoring a document at the same time.